Today, for our story, we're going to read a non-fiction book. What does that mean?
Real.
That means it's real, and it is called The Water Cycle at Work.
I know. I knew it. Me too, because I had that book.
Water covers the Earth. From space, Earth looks like a round blue ball with swirls of white. The blue color is water. The white is the clouds. And water covers 70% of the Earth. Water moves and changes as part of the water cycle. The water cycle. Water changes as it moves through the water cycle. Water evaporates as it changes from a liquid into a gas. So here it's evaporating.
Why did I see that one?
Water vapor condenses to form clouds. So here it is, forming the clouds, condensation. Precipitation falls from the clouds as rain or snow. Then it falls as precipitation. The sun's heat turns liquid back into gas. And then the water cycle begins again.
And again.
Evaporation. One way the water cycle can begin is with evaporation. The sun's heat makes water change from a liquid to vapor during evaporation. People can't see water vapor. Vapor can only be seen when it's mixed with water drops. You can see vapor as steam coming from a cup of hot cocoa. So here's the water vapor.
That looks like it's a gas. You can only see
Yep.
it because it's very hot.
Humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. Humidity changes with the temperature. Warm air holds more water vapor than cold air. People feel warmer on humid days because sweat does not evaporate quickly. Condensation. A very humid day can lead to a lot of water condensation. Condensation takes place when the water changes from vapor back into a liquid. Vapor turns into droplets as the air cools. You can see condensation as dewdrops on leaves. Condensation also forms on the outside of a glass of cold water. So when you fill a cup with cold water and then there's water on the outside of the cup, that's called condensation.
But why does it do that?
Because the water vapor is cooling down on the outside of the cup.
Oh yeah, because like a stove, like it's really hot and something's cooking, I put my hand over it and then when I take my hand off it says all sweaty.
Yep, exactly, because that's the water vapor condensating, turning back into liquid. Clouds are another form of condensation. Vapor becomes water droplets around specks of dust in the sky. These droplets stick together to make clouds. Clouds grow heavy with water as condensation takes place. Dark clouds are filled with water. Rain is on the way. Precipitation. Precipitation is the final part of the water cycle. Water falls from clouds as precipitation. Rain falls when clouds fill with water. Frozen water falls as snow, sleet, or hail. Precipitation replenishes water on Earth. You know what that means? So if there is a lake and it hasn't rained in a really, 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 really long time, the lake starts to go down and down and down. And then when it precipitates or it rains, it comes down and it fills it back up. So it replenishes it. It fills it back up. Rain seeps into the soil to restore water in the ground. Rain and snowfall in the rivers, lakes, and the oceans.
There's no oceans in the world.
Oh, that would not be good.
Why?
Because it would kill all of the animals.
But what about
And
there would be no dolphins then or no fish
Yep.
or no people?
an endless cycle. Saving water helps make sure all living things have the fresh water they need. People, plants, and animals share the same fresh water. Everyone must work together to save the water and keep it clean. Amazing but true. The water people drink today is the same water dinosaurs drank millions of years ago. Earth's water is about 3 billion years old. The water cycle keeps water on the planet. In the future, people, plants, and animals will also use this same water.
Okay, I need to
Yeah.
Can I put it up?
The water cycle.
Can I put it up?